On Fusion I have two class websites, one for KG1 and one for KG2. The KG1 website has already been built. So we've chosen the colour and the layout, and we've chosen the pages that go into it. And I'd like to do the same again for KG2 without having to go through the process of building it all from scratch. There's a few things you can do for that. The first thing is to go to the KG1 Group Options menu and go to Manage Website, and then go to Appearance and Themes. Go to Your Themes, and if you scroll down you can see you can save this as a theme. So I want to save my new theme, and I'm going to call it KG and save. So I now have this theme saved in My Themes. If you want to save a website theme for the whole school to use, this needs to be done by the admin login. Okay, so now I've got my theme. I go back to Classes. I go to KG2. I go in and manage my website. Again, I go to Appearance and I go to Themes. Go to Your Themes, and there's my theme that I want to apply. So I click on that, click Apply Theme to my website. Okay, so my website now has that theme. I'm going to go to Content, and I want to bring in the pages that I've built for that other website for KG1. So I'm going to click on Import. I'm going to choose the website, so it's KG1, and I'm going to import the pages from that website by clicking Next. Choose which pages I want to import and say Continue. Those pages have now been successfully imported, and I can go and view my website. So I'm in the KG2 website now, but obviously it's brought in all the content of all the pages from KG1. So I now need to go in and simply edit all my pages and make sure that they're suitable for KG2. So that's how to copy a website on Fusion.